Hi, and here we have the next update. Well, first issue I had since the last one was some burnt wiring on the back of the gauges. Got that sorted quite easy. And then we went on to rebuilding the hubs because the oil seals were leaking round the back. It's a Salisbury axle. It's slightly different to other videos that I've watched, but pretty straightforward and easy to sort out. And yeah, good clean up, replacement of the oil, and then it was time to get on with refitting the brakes. And I start with a rookie mistake. Can you tell what I've done? Yep, the brakes are on back to front, so the springs are on the front of the brake shoes and it pulls them out at a stupid angle. But refitted and it was all good. Bleed the brakes, and then finally, after lots and lots of weeks on the drive, we got it on its wheels and off it goes. Whee! Made it to work, little drive out, and it was noisy. Boy, is it noisy. But it works. We're back on the road and we'll go and have a little bit of fun and off-roading, official. We've been off the road, on the beach, get a nice photo by the ocean, why not? But let's go and have a drive.